Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons.
And then what uses their signals here.
Okay. This video is some of the most extreme road rage that I've ever covered on this channel, and this video comes from Barbara Marking, and she experienced one of the craziest idiots that I've ever seen. Look, she threw a water bottle out the sunroof of her car. She then brake checks to a stop, and gets out for a confrontation, and to throw more water bottles, of course.
Call 911. Got you on video!
Dialing. Yeah, I don't think this crazy lady cares that she's on video. I mean, look at how she's acting. That's the third water bottle that she threw at the dashcam car. What a crazy lady. And this is just the beginning. Watch until the end, it gets far worse. The dashcam driver is currently on the phone with 911, and I must say that I think the operator is pretty incompetent. The dashcam driver is doing a good job at giving instructions to the operator, but she just can't figure it out. And so things go from bad to worse. Watch what happens now.
Brakes again!
That crazy lady is trying to cause a wreck. When I first saw this video, I couldn't believe just how bad it was, and then it got worse.
Yep. Come on, can you get some cops out here, please?
I think this crazy bat needs to lose her license permanently. I don't think this lady should drive, ever, until she gets some serious anger management.
Okay, so what I need to know...
The dashcam driver does everything to get away from this woman, but she just keeps chasing after her. I don't know why she was so angry to begin with. But look, she tries to cause another wreck again. Luckily, the dashcam driver does manage to escape her in the end by pulling a quick U-turn. I am blown away still by the level of road rage in this video. I'd stand by what I said earlier. That lady needs to lose her license for a long time.
This guy was driving on the highway when he was cut off by a district attorney. This caused an accident, and that DA seems hesitant to even pull over.
Alright, we've got a hit and run. We have a hit and run going. You need to pull over, buddy. You need to pull over.
But she knew it would be a bad look on her, so she does, and immediately flashes her badge as an intimidation tactic. She yells at the dashcam driver and insists that the accident is his fault, and refuses to give her name until the police arrive. Yet another government official who thinks they are above us mere peasants. Thankfully, the dashcam paid for itself, and she was found at fault.
On the road.
How entwined and everything really is. So pretty much Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Oh Jesus, thank you. Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Oh Jesus, thank you.
Seriously?
The case. But look, today was just, it was about the race and the run and overcoming, the challenge that was thrown down by Lilik. And those things like, the records and those markers, I think, will be things to cherish over time. I can't really get into that, but
Idiot.
Certainly, just in terms of the pure performance.
You're a driving instructor. What the hell?
And incredibly proud of it.
I think we can all hear you grappling with the enormity of this right now. As a parent, also being in the commentary box at the same time, how difficult is it for you to sort of keep the lid on it? Because there must just be so many years of emotion for you that have gone into moments like this.
Yes, although, Miriam's the coach, she's at the coal face, I'm detached, I'm not at all the...
5 minutes slow. Okay. I don't know. I'm probably going to sit in that. Oh!
What a fuck.
Jesus Christ!
spectrum, which, you know, obviously is a more expensive solution. We
Really?
some buildings will consider putting in the wall-mounted chargers. Usually that's a single-phase 7 kilowatt charger that is
get over one way or the other. Which way are you going, dude? That way. Back in there. Go ahead!
Tell me, brother.
Get back in your truck! Go ahead, get back in your truck! Yeah, go ahead!